content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we'll post daily videos of incoming inventory. We have over 50 vehicles arriving every week, all makes and models, foreign and domestic. Right now, you're looking at a 2019 Audi S4 freshwater flood damaged vehicle. I like to go over the engine compartment first to show you that there's no corrosion or rust. This vehicle just came in. We have not detailed it or cleaned it in any way. It's low freshwater damage. No condensation in the headlights. No visible water line. We checked the oil, we checked all the fluids. So far so good. Do a quick walk around. Nice slate gray color. We'll be selling this vehicle with a salvage title. We're actually in the process of determining whether we're going to build the vehicle or not. We may sell it as is, just get it running, and let the next person complete the repairs for a discount, obviously. So far it looks like it could be a really good builder. Body's very clean. Take a look inside. You got lights on. It's a good sign. Nice red interior. I don't smell any water. The pockets are clean, which means the water level is very low. It's cleaned by the cigarette lighter. The vents are clean. Light is on underneath the seat. That's also a good sign. And the seat tracks are not rusted. All good signs. This vehicle, I'm gonna say, barely had any water inside. It might not have any water. Maybe just a little. A nice Audi logo illuminating on the floor. Pockets clean here. No water, no corrosion. The metal's clean over there. That's boot prints from the insurance company. The guy's walking in and out of the car. That's not water. All the metal's clean. No corrosion, no rust. Got 28,000 miles. The vehicle powers up. I bet you this vehicle does run and drive. Beautiful red interior. Looks like we may just build it after all. I don't think it needs much here. Maybe pull the interior, dry everything out, clean all the contacts, change all the fluids. You got yourself a beautiful Audi S4. Anyway, we'll update you on the process and if we decide to move forward in repairing the vehicle. Thanks for watching.